Ever wondered how to make your camping experience more efficient and exciting? Well, buckle up, because today we're going to delve into some surprising bushcraft camping hacks that will transform your outdoor adventures. These hacks are not just practical, but they also add an element of fun and excitement to your camping experience. First off, let's talk about starting a fire, a fundamental skill for any outdoor enthusiast. Birch bark is an excellent fire starter. Its high oil content makes it incredibly flammable, even when wet. To use this hack, peel off a strip of bark from a fallen birch tree. Then, using a lighter or a flint, ignite the bark. It will catch fire quickly and burn long enough for you to add larger pieces of wood. Next, we move on to the art of knife sharpening. A dull blade can be a real hindrance in the wilderness. If you find yourself near a river, look for a smooth, flat stone. Hold your knife at a 20-degree angle and slide it across the stone as if you're trying to slice off a thin layer. Repeat this action several times until your knife is sharp. Remember, a sharp knife is a safe knife. Now let's talk about waterproofing your gear. Pine resin is a natural and effective waterproofing agent. To use this hack, collect some pine resin, which is usually found on the bark of pine trees. Melt it down over a fire and then apply it to your gear using a stick or brush. Once it cools and hardens, your gear will be waterproof and ready for any weather conditions. Our fourth hack takes us into the realm of navigation. Ever get lost and wish you had a compass? Well, you can make one using a needle and a leaf. Rub the needle with a magnet to magnetize it, then place it on a floating leaf in a bowl of water. The needle will align itself with the Earth's magnetic field, pointing you towards north. Lastly, we have the hack of using moss as a water filter. Collect some fresh green moss and squeeze it over a container. The moss acts as a natural filter, removing dirt and other impurities from the water. While this method doesn't remove all bacteria or viruses, it's a good first step in water purification when you're in the great outdoors. In summary, these bushcraft camping hacks are not only practical, they also add a fun element to your camping experience. Using birch bark to start a fire, sharpening your knife on a river stone, waterproofing your gear with pine resin, making a compass with a needle and a leaf, and using moss as a water filter are all ways to make your camping adventure more efficient and exciting. But remember, the real joy of camping comes from experiencing nature in its raw form. These hacks are just tools to help you do that. So go out there, explore, and most importantly, have fun.